welcome to learning HTML with Coduo. Our goal for this course is to get you from complete beginner to being able to write the HTML of a web page. While you can do Coduo courses alone, we encourage you to pair up and work with someone else, either by having us pair you with someone or by picking a friend. Paired programming is one of the best ways to learn new concepts. Not only do you have someone to encourage you and allow you to bounce ideas and concepts off, but it's a great way of creating a network of developers. On our screen, you see the code editor that you'll be completing your lessons in. The HTML tab is where you can write your HTML code. The Preview tab shows what your code would look like as rendered by the browser. The left panel has all the information of the lesson. The objectives are where you'll focus the most. These objectives are based on the lesson videos and are what you must complete to continue to the next lesson. The Hints drop-down will provide several hints to guide you in the right direction if you get stuck. The Solution drop-down shows you the completed code, so do your absolute best not to look at it. If you get stuck, Google your question or visit sites like W3 Schools to see if you can find your answer. Before we jump into writing code, let's talk a little about what HTML is. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is the language of the web. When you browse or visit a website, a server receives your request of that web page, responds with the HTML document, and your browser then renders or displays the content of that HTML page. In case you're wondering what a server is, you can think of it kind of like a computer, but its only job is to receive requests and respond back with different things. In this case, an HTML file. So, how do you write HTML? Well, HTML can be written in any plain text editor as long as it has the .html extension. For example, you could open up Notepad or TextEdit, write something in it, and save it as my-page.html. This is technically an HTML document, and double-clicking it will open it with a browser. But writing code in Notepad or TextEdit is not really recommended, so most developers will use a code editor like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text because they provide formatting, highlighting, and tons of other features to make writing code easier. Typically, you download a code editor onto your computer and use that to write your code. But for these lessons, you'll use our built-in code editor in your browser. Now we're ready to get into the first lesson. Good luck.